holidays are here. I'm full of cheer and I am jolly AF. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kitty Cat, otherwise known as Captain Simone, here on YouTube. As y'all can see by the title, today's video is all about how to achieve a candy cane brow, okay? I believe that brows are the once upon a time of the face. Your brows tell a story, and I want my brows to tell a Christmas story. I want my brows to specifically tell a candy cane story. So, I mean, I don't really have a candy cane story, but you know what I'm saying. Like, I want a candy cane on my eyebrow. So this look is super simple, super easy to achieve. All you really need is a white eyeliner pencil and a red eyeshadow. That's really all you need. Before we get into the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Put what your favorite little holiday treat down in the comments below. Grab a snack because I'm getting a little hungry. We're getting hungry. And let me show you how to do this candy cane brow.
Hey y'all, so I'm going to be going in with my pure My Little Pony palette. It has the best red that I own, but unfortunately that palette is no longer in stock. So I decided to display some palettes for you all that do have some kind of variation of a red, whether it's like an red orange or a blue red, or you know, just reds that work for different skin tones and just basically different reds that are on the market right now. You're gonna need brushes, and of course you're also gonna need a white eyeliner pencil. You could do liquid or you could do like a soft kohl, but that's what I'm doing. I got my concealer so we can carve out the brow, and it's just gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. That's me. All right, so I'm gonna be starting with the pencil portion. Make sure it's sharp, make sure it's ready to go, because the candy cane brows, they're ready, they're festive, they're ready for the holidays. Okay, so I'm starting with that pencil just to give my brows my arch that I always love having that arch there. So I'm only just going to fill in a small portion. Now I'm going in with my angled brush using my red shadow and just again hair-like strokes just to get a little bit of the color to be distributed evenly and all of that. Going back in with the white, so we're just doing a little bit, just to give it a little candy cane look. Obviously gonna elongate my tail there using the red and the angled brush again, and then I'm gonna be adding more red to the front of the brow and just kind of working back and forth between the white pencil and the red shadow. Okay, so now I'm going in for a second round of color. The brows are truly the focus feature of this look, so I really want my candy cane red and white to just pop. I want everybody to know it's a candy cane when they see it. We don't need any confusion, okay? So after that, we're gonna be concealing underneath the brow just to make sure it looks crisp and clean. I'm gonna be using the MAC Studio Fix Concealer in NC40. The shades run kind of weird in the MAC Studio Fix Concealer. I don't really understand it, but that's not here nor there because this is a video about candy cane brows. So I am going underneath the brow right now, just carving it out, cleaning it up, making it look super nice, and yeah, just neutralizing my lid. Also, y'all, I apologize for like the color right now. It's so weird. I didn't understand. I tried to fix it. I don't know why it's going from like a bluish to really warm to cool to warm. Anyways, definitely gonna be also carving above my brow. I don't normally do this step with my everyday look, but because the brows are again the focal point, we gotta make sure that they pop. We cannot leave any details out. Going back in with my color just because why not? Third time's the charm. Just make sure it looks nice. And there you have it. It's a simple, easy candy cane look for the holidays.
That is it, y'all. That is how you achieve your candy cane brow for this holiday season. I hope you all have a fantastic holiday this holiday. I hope that you all have a fantastic Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. I hope that you get to just spend this time of year with the people who you love and people that truly care about you, because I feel like that's really all that matters, is just being around your loved ones really at the end of the day. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Got a couple more Christmas videos on the way, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!